Do you really know what the word light means? Most English learners think they do, but wait until you hear this. Let's unpack it.
The word light means something that helps us see. It's the opposite of darkness. We use it when we talk about lamps, the sun, or anything bright. Let's say it correctly. It's pronounced light. That's like L-Y-T. Try saying it with me. Light. Here are some examples. Number 1, I turn on the light when it's dark. Number 2, the light from the sun is warm. And number 3, this bag is very light. It's easy to carry. But wait, that's not all. Light can also mean something that doesn't weigh much. Meaning 1, light, brightness. Example, I love the morning light. Meaning 2, light, not heavy. Example, these shoes are light and comfortable. To remember this word, think of light as something that lifts you up. It helps you see or makes things easy. Now you know the real meaning of light, but did you know it's often confused with bright? We'll unpack that one next. Subscribe to English Vocabulary Unpacked and keep growing your English one word at a time.